The HDL20A is a two-way active line array module designed for live sound reinforcement and installed sound applications. It features two 10-inch woofers, one 3-inch titanium compression driver, digital amplifier with switch mode power supply, and DSP-controlled input section with selectable presets. The HDL20A delivers 135 dB max SPL with 1400 watts peak power. As for its dispersion characteristics, the HDL20A delivers 100 degrees constant horizontal coverage, up to 15 degree configurable vertical coverage, and will run up to 16 flyable modules. Comes in a structurally wood-reinforced composite propylene enclosure and is equipped with two aluminum side handles with rubber handbrakes and two rear pocket handles for easy handling. If you look at the color-coded sections of the chamber, you will clearly see the layout with amplifier, compression driver, woofer, handles, and mechanics, which enables a J-shaped array. The high-power woofers, like all the components, are handcrafted in Italy. The HDL20A is loaded with two high-power 10-inch woofers, 2.5-inch inside-outside voice coil, water-resistant fiber, doped cone polycotton emerald surround. This shows the large format 2-inch throat compression driver with 3-inch edge wound aluminum coil, 3-inch titanium diaphragm, an optimized composite waveguide, and high power magnetic structure. The RCF HDL will maintain its intelligibility, definition, and signal strength, while competitive models will attenuate and break up before the sound reaches its throw distance. The DSP-controlled Class D two-way digital amplifier delivers an impressive 1400 watt peak. We have designed easy-to-access controls on the back of the speaker, which allow a number of simple optimizations to be carried out at the flick of a switch. For example, there are two HF settings, 4 cluster size configurations, a special EQ setting for high curved configurations, and an indoor correction EQ. There are also signal, power, and limiter LEDs, an XLR signal input, and signal link sockets. The power input section consists of power con sockets and a power switch.
It's been a too long time with no peace of mind, and I'm ready for the times to get better.